Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Nuvyyo Tablo 4th General DVR. This device promises to revolutionize how you watch and record live TV, all without any subscription fees. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Nuvyyo Tablo 4th Gen is designed to be your ultimate over-the-air DVR solution, offering seamless integration with your existing TV setup. It supports up to 2 tuners, allowing you to watch one channel while recording another simultaneously. This functionality alone makes it a compelling choice for cord cutters looking to maximize their entertainment options. One of the standout features of the Tablo 4th Gen is its affordability and simplicity. For a one-time purchase, you get access to 50 hours of HD content storage right out of the box. The device also includes a 2-week program guide, which helps you plan your viewing schedule efficiently. Setting up the Tablo is straightforward. Simply connect it to your antenna and home network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. It's compatible with a range of devices including Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV, and more, ensuring flexibility in how you access your content. In terms of performance, the Tablo excels in streaming and recording live TV. The app interface, available on both mobile and TV platforms, is intuitive and user-friendly. However, it's worth noting that some advanced features like offline downloads are currently missing but may be added in future updates. Should you buy the Nuvyyo Tablo 4th Gen? If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to enhance your TV viewing experience with reliable DVR capabilities, this device is hard to beat. Despite a few limitations, its overall performance and value make it a solid choice for anyone considering cutting the cord. That wraps up our review of the Nuvyyo Tablo 4th General DVR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.